Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to yet another video on the Business in Africa YouTube channel. And my name is Rofo Chifu. I'm the CEO founder of HR and Systems, where we help people get started on the African continent. I know a lot of people contact me, hey, I just want to import some goods into Cameroon. I want to import goods into Africa. But you know, I'm here based in Douala, so let me start with my country. I'm going to do this for every African country, okay? But if you're watching me for the first time, make sure you click on the subscribe button, because I want to be talking about the 5 most profitable goods, items that you can import into Cameroon and make money real quick. 5 of them. I have done research. I know they work, okay? And if you want more information, of course, you can always contact me and we'll talk about this. If you want me to talk about your country, drop in the comment section below, because I want to talk about it as well, okay? Now, let's start with the 5 most profitable goods to import in Cameroon. Not in 2020, but in 2021, okay? Because I know it's next year that things will start picking up, okay? So, if you're right there, don't go anywhere. I'll be right back after the break. Hello guys, hello my Business in Africa YouTube community. My name is Rofo Chifu, and I have been having a lot of questions from investors like you asking me, which African country should I invest in? I therefore decided to create this. I also decided to create this other tool right here. If you're an investor and you want to invest in Africa, then you need this tool. Click on the links in the description box below and download your own. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Rofo Chifu, and I talk business on the Business in Africa YouTube channel. So let's look at the 5 most profitable goods to import in Cameroon and sell and make real money real fast. All you need to do is know these things and also have some capital to do that. Number 1 is printing ink. I don't know if you all knew this, but let me tell you something. Printing ink sells like magic in Cameroon, okay? Now come to look at it. Now come to think about it. We've got all offices, they use printers. We have business ventures. In fact, everybody will use a printer at some point in time to print. Okay, so if you go into printer ink like, you know, HP, DeskJet, all those Canons, all these printer inks, they sell a lot. It's like fast moving consumer goods, okay? Now, the margin, how profitable it is, I'm going to tell you it's very profitable. Now, if you want to know more about that, then I can go one-on-one consultancy with you, right? But before I speak with you, or before we talk one-on-one on WhatsApp or on phone call, you need to download these 2 books. That's a given. You understand? Just go. It's not much, like $9 point something. So download the 2 of them, and then you come back to me. Let's talk about it. I'll tell you how profitable that is. Okay? Printer ink is one of the best, and then there's also these inks for like t-shirt printing, inks for like, you know, so many other things that you do. So there are just so many different types of ink that you can also import. But just know that that is one of the business where you can just trade, like you buy from China, from India, from America, from Europe, and then you sell in Cameroon. You're going to make a lot of money, okay? So now let's go to item number 2. We're looking at computer accessories. Computer accessories is still a very big deal here in Cameroon, okay? I'm not just talking about buying the whole computer, but the accessories. Now what happens is, people buy computers, they buy laptops. I mean, people are really using a lot of laptops now, right? Laptops is everywhere, even university students, everybody is using a laptop. So from time to time, they're going to have issues with the hard drive, they're going to have issues with the RAM, issues with the mouse, with the screen, the keyboard, and so on and so forth. You can name them. So all of these are like fast moving. Now, if you go into the computer market, like here in Douala, you know, we have Mbopi Market, or we have Ancien Troisième. If you go there, you're going to find that there are just people on a hourly basis selling this thing. Computer accessories just go out as just like people are eating them, because they always get bad. And the only thing you need to do here is identify, like from China or from India or from Dubai or somewhere where you can just concentrate on 1 or 2 parts, you know, and then you start bringing them into the country. But bring them in large quantities, you'll be like the wholesaler, okay? And as time goes on, you can now expand the list of the items that you bring in that area. But this is also a very profitable business. Now the third category of items, which is very profitable in Cameroon is building materials. Okay, now I didn't like say this particular thing in building material shop, okay, but generally building materials, because there are a lot of construction projects going on, so people buy them on a daily basis. Now if you want me to give you the list, like let's go down into the details, then you need to contact me one-on-one, like on WhatsApp. My numbers are on the screen or in the description box below. You need to contact me one-on-one. Let's talk about this, okay? And or you can call us, or we can schedule a session. But before that, before we schedule a session with you, you must download these books. I mean, there is one here and there's one here. And remember, these books are also going to help you with getting started. We have unique business ideas in every African country, and then we also have the African Business Startup BRAINBOX, which tells you the procedures of setting up business. So you still need them anyways. So, but these are my books, so I want you to download them. As soon as you download them or you purchase them on Amazon Kindle, then we'll schedule a one-on-one with you, and I'll go down into the details, which items you should buy under the building material category. Okay, now let's go to item number 4, the most profitable item on my list. Okay, we have medical consumables. Medical consumables, that's also a category of item. Now, which particular item under medical consumables is something that we can talk about, as I said in the last one, download my books and then we talk about it. But medical consumables, I mean medicals, it's like the primary. Everybody gets sick, you understand? So we have the number of people we have in Cameroon. Everybody gets sick at some point in time, okay? So you just can imagine, when you go to hospitals every day, you see patients lying down and they'll have to pay cash. That's another sector that is cash and carry. So the medical sector goes like, so there are like consumables in the medical sector. You know, we have things like gloves, like water, you know, sterile water. You have kits, you know, medical kits and all of that for tests and, you know, and things like that. But this particular list there, contact me, I'm going to give it to you. But medical, it's a very profitable sector to get into as well, okay? And we can help you at HR and Systems get started with that kind of business in Cameroon. Item number 5, the most profitable on my list, the most profitable. I've taken out time to do this research, okay? Item number 5 is rice, especially rice. You understand? And other dairy products. But rice especially is a very profitable business. But the thing you need to know about rice import or rice importation and sales is that rice is kind of like, the margin is small, but the volume is big, okay? And it also requires a lot of capital to get started, because you cannot just bring one container of rice. You're not going to make much, okay? Because the margin is small. But you can start thinking about bringing 50 to 100 containers. Believe me, you can sell 10,000 bags in a day. You understand? That's how voluminous. I mean, that's how the quantity of rice can go out. People eat rice on a daily basis in this country. Okay, so that's a good business where if you have some real capital, you can then dive into rice business. If you want to do this business, we can also help you at HR and Systems get started. But first, before we talk with you, or before I talk with you on a one-on-one consultancy basis, you need to download my books. That's the condition, right? That's the condition to get started. So guys, those were 5 goods, most profitable goods you can import into Cameroon, and I am the one telling you this. I've been doing this for a very long time, helping companies get started up in Africa, in Cameroon, and in other parts of Africa, okay? So if you want to do this business, you can contact us, let's talk about it, okay? No problem. Hope this video was, it was good, right? And if it was, then make sure you drop me a comment, because I want to know what other topic you want to talk about next. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification, like, and of course share this video, okay, so that other investors could come in. Thank you so much for watching, and keep supporting business in Africa, because together we can make Africa the place to be, a better place. We can make Africa great again, right? So don't go anywhere, keep watching other videos on the channel, and I'll be right back with another video. Bye bye.